Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of the MacBook Air display or broken display. And like I said, I went to the store to pick up my MacBook without being fixed. It is here on my hands, okay? Prestige, no damage, no nothing, no falls, no scratches, nothing, brand new as it is. And just let me pay attention to the traffic so I can go safely. And it was a funny moment, okay? I went there to receive my MacBook, okay, no problems. And in the end, I asked for the complaint book because I'm not happy with the service, of course. So I had to ask for the complaint book. And because I wanted to record something very special, which is they deliver me the MacBook Air with paper inside or between the keyboard and the display, exactly the same thing that they said it caused the problem. So I don't know how it is possible that the store, the Mac store, delivers the MacBook with like this, because if it is a non-issue for the MacBooks, they should not deliver the MacBook with things between the screen and the display, because it can break it. And they did it exactly like that, okay? So they know it's not a problem of papers, or in my case I had a silicone cover on the keyboard so it doesn't get dirty with dust and everything. That is not the issue. The issue is that this display and this material, it sucks, it is defective, and it should be repaired by the brand at zero cost for the customer, okay? At this moment I'm sure they lost again a customer, and after these videos they will probably lose more customers, because I don't want you guys to go through this hassle that I'm having with Apple. More interesting, they call the security. Yes, they call the security because I was documenting everything that they did with my Mac and the way they deliver it. So in order to protect their asses, they called security, claiming that I was recording people inside the store, which was not true, because after the security guy came over, he was all blown up because he's the security guy, he probably thought it would be easy peasy and I would just go away like that. But I showed him the footage, and I was only documenting my experience with Apple, and there is nothing he could do. So he just simply left the store after talking with the employees, and he left the store. And then it came the store manager to talk with me and ask me if I needed help, which I said I didn't, and asked me why I was recording the store, which I never did. Not at one point I recorded the store. He said that we have a policy, you cannot record inside the store, blah blah blah. And I said, well, I have to document my situation because I need proofs when this case goes forward. And after discussing for a while, then the speech changed. You cannot record people inside the store. Well, then it's where things get a little bit more confused, because as I told you before, I showed my footage to security. There was no and you saw the footage there is no recording of people. It's only recording of me recording the situation and how they deliver me the Mac. And then I asked him why did he call security, and he insisted because you cannot record the store people inside the store. But the original complaint is that I could not record inside the store. Then he changed it to people inside the store to see if it could de-escalate the situation, but it was already escalated, so there was nothing he can do. And basically I kept doing what I had to do, write my complaint. Everyone, the security guy left, I continue my job. The store manager tried to still explain is just working according to Apple parameters. Well, I have a good thing for Apple, which is this finger up, which I'm not gonna do because I have a video, but they can put this finger wherever they want. They will not have my 508 euros to repair my Mac Air when it is not my problem. I'm sure this will have more chapters, so keep tuned to the channel. Don't buy Macs, don't buy products from Apple, because sooner or later you will have this problem and the warranty will not cover. Because if the MacBook, if you have scratches on the Mac, they will say it's bad usage. If you have something on the Mac, they will say it's because of something else. They will try to do everything they can to avoid giving you the warranties on your material. Having said this, I hope that you like these videos. I'm sure Mac and Apple will not, but again, big finger to them, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!